Question 1. What is the primary pigment involved in photosynthesis? Question 2. Where does the light-independent reactions, Calvin cycle, occur? Question 3. High temperature tends to the rate of photorespiration. Question 5. Which enzyme is responsible for the initial fixation of carbon dioxide in C4 plants? Question 6. Which pathway separates initial carbon fixation and the Calvin in CAM plants? Question 7. What is the primary advantage of CAM photosynthesis in arid environments? Question 8. The molecule that transfers excited electrons from photosystem 2 to the electron transport chain is a NADP+. Question 9. Initial carbon fixation in C4 plants occurs in. Question 10. The specific process by which plants close their stomata to reduce water loss during photosynthesis is. Question 11. What is the main pigment involved in capturing light energy during photosynthesis? Question 12. The primary source of carbon for photosynthesis in plants is. Question 13. What is the primary adaptation of C4 plants to reduce photorespiration? Question 14. What is the primary purpose of the dark reactions, light-independent reactions, in photosynthesis? Question 15. How is the energy from sunlight converted into chemical energy photosynthesis? Question 16. CAM plants capture carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Question 17. What is the primary purpose of the dark reactions, light-independent reactions, in photosynthesis? Question 18. The region within the chloroplast responsible for ATP generation during photosynthesis is. Question 19. Which type of tissue stores carbon dioxide in CAM plants? Question 20. CAM plants reduce water loss during photosynthesis by. Question 21. What is the main pigment involved in capturing light energy during photosynthesis? Question 22. How do CAM plants capture carbon dioxide for photosynthesis? Question 23. Initial carbon fixation in C4 plants occurs in. Question 24. What is the primary purpose of the dark reactions, light-independent reactions, in photosynthesis? Question 25. The enzyme responsible for carbon fixation during photosynthesis is.